Hello girls! So we're gonna unbox again another PR packages from brands, packages from giveaways I won from Instagram. So I'm so excited to open it, girls. So let's go! So I have here, girls, this is 10 PR packages. Let's go! Let's open it! Open this one, girls, on the top. So this one. So thank you, Yasel, and thank you, Kane. Oh yeah, yeah, style. Open this. So this one, thank you so much. Next, girls, this one. Another one. Thank you, Lisa. So thank you, Lisa. Let's inside. Oh my! From Haru Haru Wonder. Let's see what's inside. Unscented sunscreen essence. Thank you, Haru Haru Wonder, for this. Open this one. Oh, yeah, I remember this. Oh my gosh, there's two. From Mila that they emailed me to try their eyeglasses. So let's see what's inside, girls. Not sure what's this one. Gorgeous. Wow. Ooh. So pretty. It's so pretty, Mila. Thank you so much. Another one, girls. And this one. So nice also. Oh wow. Do I look like celebrity now? Thank you so much, Milag, for this. Thank you. Oh my god. Sorry, this is it. I thought I lost your package. Thank you so much. So sorry. Girls, this box is much heavier. Food. Oh my god. It's so nice. Thank you for this. Food. Can't wait to use this, guys. Girls, we have two more boxes. Cleo Cosmetics. Oh my gosh, Cleo. I keep on seeing this on the of creators using this one, and I have this famous Kill Lash from Cleo Cosmetics and the mascara remover. Ooh, thank you so much, Cleo Cosmetics. My gosh, Cleo. This is so cute. This is so cute. Oh my god, this is so cute. Gosh, do I need to cry? So girls, last but not the least, more heavier, girls. So oh my gosh! Oh my god. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Bioderma here. Actually, Bioderma, I use this since college days. Oh my god! Famous review Bioderma, yes. I Care, the cleansing oil, serum. And look at this! Look at the drawing. So much Bioderma for this. Girls! Eyeglasses. Snorri from Cosmetics.